Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Ashley. I am a stay-at-home mom. On my channel, we do all things cooking, baking, and cleaning. So if that's something that you're interested in, then please consider hitting that subscribe button. In today's video, I am taking you along with me as we do a nice deep clean and reset of our living space. On this day, we got a lot done, some of which I did not film just because when you're in the mode for cleaning and you're in a time crunch, you have to get it done. So with that being said, in today's video, we are going to get done some things that just need a good, fresh reset. So being a mom, and recently within these past 6 months, I haven't talked about this on my channel, but I have been going through some health things that have taught me a lot. But no matter what it is that you're going through today, mentally, physically, I want you to either come watch this for inspiration or put it on in the background if you need to get some things done on your to-do list, and let's get it done together. So one thing that I've really learned this year, and I'm actually thankful for, I feel like I was really presented with some opportunities to grow and learn this year. I've always been a cleanly person. If you guys go back and watch videos on my channel, it's just who I am as a person. I think becoming a mom, you definitely realize that your expectations change when you have little ones. And it's beautiful because I think there's beauty in both, right? Like there's beauty in having a home that's fully lived in, which you guys are seeing right here, right now. But there's also beauty, I think, in taking care of the things that we love, whether it's the material things that then translate to the people that we love. That's how I view taking care of our home and cleaning our home. Like it's just really important to me. And this kind of cleaning, it doesn't get done all the time. And like I said, especially with what I've been experiencing with my health, I've really learned to let some things take the back burner. But with that being said, I do think like when you are able to, clean your space, maybe not as much as we're doing today, but just kind of pick up things, get the dishes done, get the laundry folded, and break it down into baby steps. I think that is more than enough. And then on days when you're able to get more done, like these deep cleans, we get it, we just get it done. So no matter where you're at today, like I said, if you want to join me or if you're just here to watch, just know that I'm here for you. This channel, this is a place where we can all come together and support one another. And that's what I really want when you come to my channel, to just have that encouragement and that motivation, and just know that like we're all in the same boat. And if you enjoy taking care of your home and cleaning, and it's something that really does bring you joy and happiness, then please consider hitting that subscribe button, because I would love to have you follow along for our deep cleans and anything that we bake and cook on this channel. So we've been in our home for a little bit over a year now, and it took me a lot of time to figure out, and I'm still learning and figuring out how I want to decorate our space and do it in a way that feels like home for us. So for a while, I wasn't actually super keen on gallery walls. And then something came over me where I felt that this wall would be perfect for a gallery wall. And I'm so thankful that my husband hung up these frames. I'm looking at it as I'm doing the voice recording right now because I'm sitting on my couch. But it was such a fun project, and I got these frames on sale at Michael's. They came in a pack of 3, so I got 3 sets. I got a really good price on them, so I would definitely consider, if you're looking to do a gallery wall and you have a Michael's nearby, take a look because they often have frames that go on sale. But it was so fun to go through our photos and find just really good memories that make us happy as a family, and to fill photos in our home. Like it's really those little simple things in life. Sorry, I trip on my words sometimes during these voiceovers, but yeah, I love the gallery wall because even like as we change, our daughter grows older, we can replace photos. But right now I'm just loving the photos that we have in there. And then same thing above our couch, we are actually doing family photos. I'm really excited. We're doing those like Christmas tree mini farm photos actually in a couple weeks. So I'm really hoping that we can get some new updated ones to put above the couch. So I've been trying to incorporate more pictures and family photos throughout the house. But let me know, do you guys have any gallery walls in your home? Do you like them? Because like I said, at first I wasn't too much of a fan, and then once you start filling it with like photos of your family and you find a way to make it your own in your own space that works for you, it was just a really fun project. Okay, so going back to the living in your home aspect, of course, you guys, my stovetop, it looks like this. I feel like anytime I do clean it, it's always such a good reset, but it will get dirty because we do cook and we use it often for dinner, you know, basically every night unless we're eating leftovers. But sometimes it does feel just so good to give your appliances a good wipe down and clean. So every once in a while, whenever you have the time, but try not to get hard on yourself. I used to feel like everything always had to be spick and span. And I think there is, like I was saying earlier, I think there's a lot of beauty in, of course, like taking care of your home. I was trying to think of what I was trying to say, like taking care of your home, taking care of the things that you own, making sure that they're nice and clean, but also like half of that is taking care of it. Half of it is enjoying it and living in it and living in it in your fullest capacity, especially if you have kids and little ones running around. I mean, they're going to have snacks. They're going to be running in from outdoors, dragging in their shoes and all the things. And I think, being able to find like a healthy balance is really important. And of course, in today's video, we are getting all that deep cleaning done, but it's just so funny because I know sometimes my husband is so sweet, and I used to be, sometimes I'll be like, oh, like just mop the floors, but I try not to be as like worried about it because I would rather have a lived-in home. And the way I look at it is like, great, we mop the floors so they're a lot cleaner than they were before, and they're going to get lived in, they're going to get dirty. And I think that is really where the beauty of living life comes in, So I hope that kind of makes sense. But if you have struggled with that, I struggled with it in the past. But like I said, as I'm becoming, a more seasoned mother, I'm not that seasoned of a mom, but you know what I mean. I'm definitely learning that balance is key. Balance is key. And you just got to go with the cards that you're dealt and manage what you're able to manage, what's in front of you. And some days and weeks, it may look different than others, but definitely give yourself some grace, because I know from my own experience, sometimes we see things on the internet and online and we don't realize like we're not getting the full picture all of the time. So just keep that in mind. Like, you're doing great, like you're doing your best. And as long as you're showing up and you're caring and you're honestly, it sounds corny, like being kind to others or like doing the little things. Like if you got a load of laundry in today, great. If you threw it in, but you couldn't take care of it because, your little one needed you, like that was your priority for the day. And you're doing an amazing job at whatever it is that needs to get done that day. So if you're a mom or even a dad watching this, like do not get hard on yourself, because I know it's so easy for us to do just that. But when you come here on this channel, I want you to know that like you're supported and you're doing such an amazing job. So if there's anything on your mind or that you want to share in the comments down below, let me know. I would love to chat with you guys. But yeah, we're doing a good job. So even if you don't get to everything on your list today, the good news is that you are going to get to the things that are top priority at the timing that they need to be done. So, just give yourself some grace. So if you guys are an OG follower, then you may have seen, I definitely have like one or two videos, I'm sure, of what the cabinets looked like before we while we were in this home, but before we painted them. And right now I'm just using Dawn Power Wash with warm water. I don't wipe our cabinets down a ton. I'd probably say like once a month I try to get it done, just because with cooking, baking, having a toddler, you know, things splatter, it gets lived in, and that's fine, no big deal. But I think coming up this February will be a year that my dad painted our cabinets for us, and he's the best. I love my dad. He's absolutely amazing. He just likes to do house projects and stuff for fun, and he's incredibly talented because painting is a project and it's not one of my favorite projects, but he did a meticulous job on our cabinets. But I did want to say the Dawn dish soap and water has worked very well, and our cabinets have held up very nicely. Of course, one day I would love to, you know, renovate our kitchen, but I really love our kitchen for all that it is, and all that we've made it so far. I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We have hit 800 subscribers, and I just wanted to say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate all of your love and support, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.